Nasungkit na ni kapamilya actor JM De Guzman ang puso ng social media personality na si Donalyn Bartolome pagkatapos ng mahigit 1 year na panliligaw. Sa latest Facebook post ni Donalyn nitong Biyernes, June 28, binalikan niya ang pagkikita nila ni JM kung kailan nag-pinky promise daw ang aktor sa kanya. "When I met Juan Miguel on February 16, 2022, he made me pinky promise to do a fun collab with him. Tawang-tawa ko kasi wala akong maalalang lalaki na kilala kong nakikipag-pinky promise. Why did he have to make me promise? I will tell you next time. I delivered our pinky promise, and all this happened," kwento ni Donalyn. "I thought we were only going to be friends. I was almost certain, if everyone knew in detail how I felt, and everything that transpired, you'd feel the same, but the stars had something else written in them, and during our exclusively dating phase, we assured each other promise rings, linked to the first promise we'd made to each other, a pinky kind for when we're finally ready to be officially in a relationship," sulat niya. Dagdag pa ni Donalyn, "We trusted only one person for when the time comes, hiding from each other while we designed each rounded gold separately for both our left littlest fingers in secret, why they're designed the way they are, that's for another time too." Bukod pa rito, ibinahagi rin ni Donalyn ang pagpunta raw nila sa Japan para ipagpaalam ang panliligaw ni JM. "So we flew to the land of the rising sun to ask for my parents' acceptance. That's why it took so long for us to share that on June 22, 2023, sabi pa niya. Ayon pa sa kanya, his determination caused him to persist, until one day I just could no longer resist. He awakened the love I didn't know I still had to give to someone again ever, and even though I no longer believe in forever, I believe in now, aniya." Dagdag pa ni Donalyn, "Spell it backwards and that's what he has done. The match to capture my heart, I declare out loud, Juan Miguel won." Matatandaang pagkatapos haranahin ni Donna si JM noong Mayo ay inanunsyo niya sa kanyang vlog na exclusively dating na silang dalawa.